STO'SENSE recently sent me out this old Hollywood vibe vanity desk, and I'm going to be showing you how easy it was to put together, everything that came in the box. We're going to be going over all the features, including all the drawers, outlets, and lights. Let's go back in time to when this was still in a box. I did want to say it came very nicely packaged. I love how they have it labeled 1 and 2 for the boxes. So let's go ahead and open these up and I'll show you everything that came in the box. And before we get started on putting this together, I wanted to say I usually lay it out by number. It makes it super helpful to find all the pieces that you need as you go through the instruction manual. I also love how detailed the instruction manual was. It was so helpful, made putting this together really easy. The vanity does require full assembly, and because it has 9 drawers, there are quite a few pieces to put together. Everything was labeled and the instructions walked me through the process step by step, so that made it super easy. It just took a decent amount of time. It took me about 4 hours to put together. They do give you a little screwdriver with this, but I would recommend getting one of these ratcheting screwdrivers. It made it go by a lot faster. It was also super helpful to have a second person when I was attaching the upper mirror section. Once assembled, it measures approximately 47 inches wide by 15 inches deep and 56 inches tall. I really like the warm walnut finish and the arched mirror because they give it a vintage inspired appearance without making it look outdated. One of the biggest benefits is the amount of storage. It has 9 drawers in several different sizes, so there's room to organize makeup, skincare products, hair accessories, jewelry, and even other stuff. I found the smaller drawers were really convenient for items you want to keep separated, while the bigger drawers were nicer for taller or bulkier products. You also get built-in vanity lights, and these are adjustable, so you have 3 different color options. So we have warm, neutral, and cool lighting. And we can also adjust the brightness. So if you're doing your makeup or you just want this as like ambiance lighting, you can fully adjust the brightness of the lights as well. And that just plugs into the built-in outlet right here. Let me show you that up close. So right here is the remote for the vanity lights, and those just plug into this USB right here. And then we also have a USB-C port right here and 2 regular outlets. I love that because I can plug in my nail light or like a hair tool product like a straightener or curler. And the cord for that outlet is actually really long, so you could reach an outlet that's pretty far away. And now that I have you over here, they also have this really nice shelf right here for hair tools. So you could put your hair dryer and then you can just hang up the cord on the hooks underneath. It also includes this smaller double-sided mirror that also rotates 360 degrees. One side is just a regular mirror, and then the other side is a 5 times magnifying mirror. This is great for putting in things like contacts or doing your mascara and eyeliner. The vanity is made from engineered wood and feels really sturdy once everything is fully put together. It also has anti-tipping hardware, which I will set up. I would definitely recommend doing that. I just have not yet. Overall, I think this vanity is super beautiful. I love the vintage feel. It definitely feels like old Hollywood vibes, and you still get all the practicality and storage. And because of that, the setup did take a lot of time, but I think it was so worth it for how many storage drawers you get. I also love that you have this adjustable 360 mirror and this big vanity mirror with its own built-in lighting. It's so nice. Don't forget about the outlet and the tool organizer on the side. I just love everything about this. The style, the look, all the features. It's incredible, and I would definitely recommend this vanity desk.